They're bidding on a Vitamix VM0145. This one here, we have two of them. This one is number 2, and it does not have the container or the cup, whatever you want to call it. I'll show you this. The screen lights up, but it's blank. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. You might have to hold two buttons together, but this one is programmed here. That's button 1. Screen's lit. That's 2. Here's 3. It's turning. You'd see the square hex if it. And here's 4. Nice quiet machine. Still running. Stopped. And then if I turn the switch off, the light goes out. So it's going to need some work. There's no cup. There's no container for this one. You're seeing it just the way it is. Screen lights up, but you can't read it. Motor works and runs, does the programs. Good luck bidding.